Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to advanced features. After that go to one-handed mode option. Now just tap here to enable one-handed mode and it's done. Now here you can see two options of one-handed mode. One is gesture and another is button. If I select gesture from here, now if you want to enable one-handed mode in your phone, then you have to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. So just do it, and you can see in my phone one-handed mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable one-handed mode, just tap anywhere of blank space and you can see it's disabled successfully. Now if you go to same settings again and then select button. Now to enable one-handed mode, you have to just double tap on the home screen button. So just do it and you can see one-handed mode has been enabled successfully again. And that is how you can enable or disable one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.